Mwezi huu
ngwataniro ya NASA ni yugite mihango ya kwihitithia Raila Odinga ta president na Kalonzo Musyoka ari munini wake nditirite na aya eri ni magakorwo makehitithio mbere ya mweri uyu kuinikirira. Makiaria na andiki ya mohoro ameba Kamiti iratabania uria mbunge cia muingi ikwambiriria kuruta wira ni maugite kwa ihinda riri Kamiti igi uria aya eri makayukia wabici no irathie na mbere na mehaririria.
We are alive to the fact that the public is eager to hear about the swearing in of the people's president and deputy president. We want to assure Kenyans that this is on course, and it will be the biggest public event that Kenya has seen since independence.
The earlier Raila swore himself in the better, so that we close that chapter and focus on other issues.
Munini wake David Ndii uria ni mutafania wa mitaratara ngwataniro-ini ya NASA ni ugire muingi wa Kenya ni gori na uge munene wa uria mekwenda bururi uterefo no ti mathaga ma utongoria maria mayukagio ona president ehitithio. Ihinda-inĩ riu Kamiti ino no yugite ngwataniro ni tafanetie ciũngano itiganite cia mbunge cia muingi mweri uyu ituri itiganite cia bururi na kiũngano kia muthia gigatafanio guku Nairobi kuria Raila na Kalonzo makehitithio ta president na munini wake.
We are breathing life into the foundation of our constitution, namely the supremacy of the constitution and the sovereignty of the people. We wish to reiterate our New Year message. Cruel rulers have never defeated determined people.
Muthenya wa kiumia ngwataniro ya NASA ni gatafania kiũngano gia keri kaunti-ini ya Kakamega kiria itanya ni kwira muingi mibango yao na ningi mogaruruku maria mangienda meko ruhonge-ini rwa ithurano.
This Sunday, that is on 7th, we head to Western Kenya to continue with the people-driven initiative to ensure electoral justice and self-determination in our country. The details of the program and the nature of the events will be held in Kakamega is going to be disclosed by the NASA leadership in Western Kenya.
Deto ya hau kabere ni raugite ati Raila Odinga ahota kukaruguria ndudu yake ya minister orire mutongoria wa bururi na munini wake William Ruto mehaririirie kuruguria ndudu yao.
treason. Ati hiyo ni kifo. Nataka kujibu Githu Muigai hapa na bosi yake. Ikiwa kama kifo ndio lazima ifanyike ili tusisiwe na wizi wa kura tena, tutapishwa na tukufe.
Girifotera Kameme TV, nijitagwo Mwaura wa Dongo.